Today we're making peanut butter crunch. We're going to use corn flakes, vanilla icing, and of course some peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. So you're going to stick it in the microwave and warm it up. Melt your icing, get it warm. We're going to go ahead and put in a half a cup of the peanut butter. So now we're going to go ahead and drop in our vanilla frosting. Also a half a cup of the vanilla icing. We're going to go ahead and stir all this, combine all this together. And then we're going to take it and put it on parchment paper, and then we're going to stick it in the freezer so it can get solid, back cold. Combine everything together. And if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, you can add some sugar, maybe a tablespoon or two, to make it be a little bit more sweeter. So now if you want, you can add some chocolate chips to it, or you can add some chocolate syrup to it. Just drop some syrup in there, some chocolate, stir it all together. So now this is a plate that I can stick in the freezer because you're going to have to put it in the freezer after. Just make little balls with your spoon, take a spoonful and just drop it on the plate. And they're just going to freeze up. Yeah. Sorry, you guys, I'm making a mess here. But you just stick them in the freezer. Now we'll just stick them in the freezer and let them get hardened up. So this is what it looks like hardened up, you guys. Really good, you guys. Really good. Peanut buttery. Really good. Gotta try this. And you can also use it with Rice Krispies, corn flakes, whatever you desire. See, I got a lot left. There you go. Yummy and delicious, you guys.